Let us add the update and the delete button, and we will first enable the delete button. So we will write the code to delete the products from the database. So let's enable that. Let's head back to our index, and let's create one more column. We will call this column as action. Let us create a column. So let's create the columns. So we have created a link. Okay. This has the controller as the product and the action, which is the update. For a delete button, we have the delete action. We will have to create the two action methods in our controller. We also have the route, the ASP route helper. Now ASP route helper has to be suffixed with the additional parameter, which is ID, and this ID parameter will be the parameter that will act as an input to the action methods. So since we already have the links created, let's go back to our product controller and first create our delete action method. So let's copy our create method and replicate that with a delete. Since the ASP route ID is going to be passing a product ID, we need a way to capture that ID and then process information from the database against that particular product. So let us create an ID parameter. DB context class, and we would like to first use our product table to find the information. So this is going to return an instance of our product. Then we'll be using again the DB context dot remove, and this time we're going to pass the product instance of the product object, and then we will finally save the changes. If all goes well, we would like to return redirect to action back to the index. So let's compile the code and then project. Let's navigate to the products. And we have the text missing from our buttons. So let's go back. Add our text. Like this. We'll make this the button as danger, appears in the red color. Let's hot reload. So we can see our list with the update and the delete button. So let's see if our delete functionality works or not. So let's delete the product with the ID 11. We can see that the product has been deleted. So let's also delete some of the other products as well. Let's delete the 4 as well. We will now work on the update functionality, which is quite similar to the create. So let's see how to enable the update.